Fill out your information. This will email you important information. Click on Launch. Click on Build with AI. Fill out initial information. Fill out and optionally improve your description with AI. Click on Next. Fill out email, address, phone, and social media info. Not to worry, this all can be changed later. Click this icon. Click on Yelp. Click here. Click on Next. It will provide generated topics by clicking the search bar, not just one topic. Give it a try. You can also manually search as well. Click this image. Click this image. Click this image. Click here. Click on User-Friendly Interface. Click this image. Click this icon. Click on Online Presence. Click this image. Click here. Click on Rapid Deployment. Click here. Click here. Click this image. Click this image. Upload any imagery you may want to upload, and then proceed to verifying all images selected by clicking on Selected Images. When verified, proceed by hitting Next. Please note, nothing